Why this beat so crumbly?
Call me the motherfucking Ratchet. How I be snapping. Come in that motherfucking packet. I don't give a fuck by none of these lame man niggas. All these bitches be capping. Call me Lil Mustard. All these souls need to catch up. Tryna get the motherfucking bankroll. Do all that motherfucking fly shit. Get your ass powered with a switch till your whole body burned up. Said she got 50 on my head. The bitch ain't talking about shit. Let you talk about the bread. If a bitch in my lane, I'm a lane switch. Come in that bitch too geek. Leave a whole lot she sped. I be talking that shit, but ain't shit fucking glitter. Too. Stepping y'all hoes in the winter. Come in that bitch with a banger. I look to my left. I see his dust ass niggas. They say that they be enough.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie to her. Hey, you sound like goddamn Glorilla for real. And you got
I'm in the motherfucking beady. Pop out in orange. Call me your little chocolate bar.
Reacted to her shit before.
They know it's sexy red. It was
Sexy red?
Sexy red.
So, you feel me? But yeah, she can rap a little bit. I mean, I say a little bit because like on my mama, like she can rap, but like it's like on some shit like I want to listen to it, but I know the girls gonna fuck with it on some shit like hell the girls gonna fuck with it. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I say like she can rap. Sure. So yeah, so don't knock me when I say it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? She can rap.
Hey, we gotta get tuned back in.
I'm about to give me some too.
Hey, boy.
I'm no motherfucking diss. She ain't hitting. Some of these little bitches switching. Niggas say they come for the trenches. Looking at your face, she can tell he was just bullshitting. Minding my motherfucking business. I don't fuck with bitches, cause these hoes are nuts on my liking. Keeping my motherfucking distance. I don't wanna fight them, cause everybody know I'm bitch striking. Walk through the motherfucking bitty. Put shit down. Blew the rest up like a lighter. Kicking my feet back, chilling. They wonder we're wild. My people on the back with no snipers. Call me the motherfucking Ratchet.
Hey, people in the back from the sniper.
Don't give a fuck about none of these lame man niggas. All these bitches be capping. Call me Lil Mustard. All these souls need to catch up. Tryna get the motherfucking bankroll. Do all that motherfucking fly shit. Get your ass powered with a switch till your whole body burned up. Please.
I don't know if I said these broke ass bitches. I don't know what the fuck going on.
MyloTheratchet. Dumbass. Call me the motherfucking Ratchet. How I be snapping. Come in that motherfucking packet. I don't give a fuck about none of these lame man niggas. All these bitches be capping. Call me Lil Mustard. All these souls need to catch up. Tryna get the motherfucking bankroll. Do all that motherfucking fly shit. Get your ass powered with a switch till your whole body burned up.
Burn up. I think my little.
I was like that. Oh, fuck, nigga.
I think my little.
Pop my little. You 5 shot. I've been telling her she pop though.
You got a little crush on her. Let the world know about that though.
Yeah. Mama knows she bad. You know she my stink. Love you, Milo. Like, comment, subscribe, okay?
This your stand.
My stink.